Hi everybody, it's Miss Chloe from Naples Regional Library. Today for our craft, we are going to be making DIY watercolor mugs. They're really simple and you just need a few ingredients that hopefully you have around your house. You just need a bowl of water, some plain mugs or bowls, and nail polish. It's really simple. Hopefully you have some old nail polish laying around that you can use. And I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few easy steps. So you're going to take your bowl of water. You want to make sure it's very still so that a film can be created on the top. You're going to drop in your nail polish very slowly. Give it a couple tries so that it starts to float for you. You can see it start to spread there. This one's got some glitter in it. I'm going to mix some colors. You can be as creative as you want. Whatever you have laying around the house. Let's try that. I'm going to take my popsicle stick and I'm going to swirl it just a little bit to give us some design. That actually looks pretty cool. And all you're going to do is take your mug and dip it straight down over the nail polish. You can see the film cling to the cup for you. And then with your finger or a toothpick, you just want to disrupt that so you can pull your cup out. And there you have it. There you have it, your own easy watercolor mug. I recommend letting it dry for at least a few hours, if not overnight. Make sure you hand wash only because they're very delicate. And make sure you check out some of our e-resources like Creativebug for other fun craft ideas. We'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.